What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today on a very exciting video for you guys. And usually I'm talking about smartphones, smart home tech, and other consumer tech, but it's also important to be comfortable and make sure those devices are working optimally in your home. And if you've ever noticed that you have a particular room in your house that feels a little bit stuffy, a little bit musty, maybe it's just a little too damp in there and uncomfortable, then a dehumidifier can actually make a huge difference. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So today we're taking a look at the Avylo ADC018. I do think that this fits into home tech in a real way because products like this are all about improving your environment behind the scenes. Just like an air purifier or smart thermostat, it's not necessarily about flashy features, it's about making your space feel better every day. And this is a dehumidifier that packs a serious punch. What stands out to me here is that it's not just focused on pulling moisture out of the air, it also is designed to make day-to-day use easier, and that's important because with a product like this, the ownership experience and how easy to use it is matters a lot. Like I said earlier, humidity is something that can affect a room in many different ways and a lot more than you might realize. It can make the air feel heavier, it can feel, maybe a little sweatier in there to you, and it can also have that musty smell over time if you leave too much moisture in the air. Plus, it can also have a negative effect on some of your technology, depending on what you're storing in your house. This is especially true in places like basements, laundry rooms, storage areas, or even bedrooms, depending on your climate. And beyond comfort, like I said, if you have electronics like camera gear, boxes, or other items stored in those spaces, keeping moisture under control just makes sense. So that is really the home tech angle that matters to me, and that is about managing the environment in your home in a practical way. Now with this particular dehumidifier, the feature that stood out the most to me in practice and day-to-day use is the tank design. So let's talk about that first. One of the main things people deal with on a dehumidifier is emptying the water once it collects. And on a lot of units, that can be incredibly awkward and difficult. You're bending down, pulling out that heavy tank from the bottom, carrying it over to a sink, and trying not to spill all the water on the floor on the way, because it feels like a simple improvement that can make regular use more convenient. And honestly, those quality of life improvements are what you're going to notice the most on a product like this that's always occupying your space. If it's easier to access, easier to remove, and easier to empty, that can have a real impact on how the product feels in the long term. Next, let's talk about general usability and performance, because this is a practical product. It's one that you need to have in your home. So it really matters how it is to live with it on a day-to-day. And also, how much moisture does it actually pull from the air? That's the real selling point. It's very easy to move around. It's very simple to understand with the interface. And it's also convenient enough that you want to keep using it regularly. Those are the things that really shape the experience for me with this dehumidifier. Now, with that being said, none of those convenience features matter if the actual dehumidifying feature isn't there. So the real test is pretty simple. Does it make the room feel better over time? Does the air feel drier? Does the space feel more comfortable after it's been running for a long time? You guys will see here that it actually collects quite a lot of water after only 30 minutes of use, and even more after a full hour. Take a quick look at this clip that I did in my basement so you can see exactly how much moisture it pulls out of the air with the before and after comparison. The Avylo dehumidifier has been running now for about an hour. We're going to open it up and see how much water it's collected. It's taken the total humidity level down about 10% since I started running it. So let's take a quick look and see what we got. It's collecting quite a bit of water. You guys can see all this water in here is water that was actually in the air in my house. And this is actually only after about an hour. I decided to let the Avylo continue running, even though I was pretty happy with the dehumidification. We got it down to where we wanted it, right around 40%, which is where me and my wife like it. But we left it running for 3 hours, and check out all this water. Let me go over here, turn this camera around. You guys will see, it's crazy. Look at all this water right here. This was all in the air down here in the bottom floor of our house. This thing picks up some serious water after even a pretty short time. So if you live in a super humid environment, it's going to collect it. Again, the tank is really easy just to go ahead and dump. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. We just remove the tank right off the top, pour the water off in the sink. If you have the option in your basement to drain the dehumidifier continuously, this model does support that, which could be very helpful for you and your family. In my case, I cannot really hook it up to a pipe where I would be using it, so that's not going to be an option for me, but it is still worth mentioning because it gives you another option and makes this even more convenient to use because you have that continuous drainage, and then you don't have to worry necessarily about emptying that tank, which we talked about earlier. Let's go ahead and break down my final take, who this is for, and whether or not I would recommend this dehumidifier. Overall, I think the Avylo ADC018 is interesting because it focuses not only on moisture removal, but also on making the overall experience of using the dehumidifier every day easier and more practical. That is where features like the top-mounted tank really matter, and also that continuous drainage system if that is an option for you. Those are the kind of things that can improve everyday use and that I can really get behind. So the way I would frame this is pretty simple. It's a practical piece of home tech and helps you create a more comfortable space where you're potentially using all of your smart home tech and other devices, while also putting some thought into the usability side of ownership. If you're looking for a dehumidifier, if you live in one of those states where it's constantly raining, it's very humid, and you need to pull moisture out of the air in your home, if you have a room or two that feel too uncomfortable, I would absolutely recommend the Avylo ADC018. It's a fantastic dehumidifier, easy to use, easy to move around, and it does exactly what they claim. If you guys have any questions about this, drop the comments below. Be happy to get back to you guys. Huge shout out to Avylo for sending out the ADC018 and also for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.